Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video I wanted to share with you these absolutely incredible blooms on the Astrophytum Asterias grafts. So these grafts are coming up to around 18 months old now and sourced from mixed seed. But look, Astrophytum as a general rule are more so grown for their form, and whilst these all do have very impressive form, as you can see, they're very distinct growth patterns as well. This one here is incredibly round, and that one there's got sort of deeper ridges between the ribs. And down in this guy back here is a little bit on the taller side and some nice little fluffy areoles as well. So the form is undeniably beautiful, but the flowers on these particular ones, they're completely worlds apart in terms of aesthetic, but also in size. Like, that is absolutely incredibly huge. And to put it into context, the pot beneath it, the pot that it's growing in, that's a 2-inch pot. And so you can see quite clearly the flower's pretty much 2 inches. Absolutely huge. It doesn't have a fragrance, but I don't really think that it needs one. I mean, have a look at it. It's just absolutely beautiful. It's sort of a soft yellow, although the camera seems to be picking up as white. There's some pink tinges through there. Absolutely beautiful. Really impressive. And then I personally like colour. I like colourful flowers. And so then you've got this guy here, which is a beautiful sort of light to medium pink with a very dark red throat. Absolutely beautiful. Dual bloom on this guy. We'll come in and have a look from that angle. And then just for something very unusual and strange, I thought this flower was still opening, but no. That come on, look there. Camera's not looking. As you can see, the flower is like these curled up little tendril kind of things, which is odd, very odd. I've not seen a flower like that before. Maybe the flower didn't form correctly. That could very much be the case, or maybe that is just how it looks. I guess I'll find out when it flowers again if it repeats the same look, or whether it changes. But there we go there. So three different Astrophytum Asterias, all grafted onto Pereskiopsis, about 18 months old. Probably around 18 months old, and just absolutely gorgeous. I'll degraft these guys in maybe a year or two more, and otherwise you can get a fair few years out of Pereskiopsis. The leaves on this one have gone already. The one in the back left is starting to lose them, and this one here will probably drop some soon. They're just barely hanging on, but that's all right. Even without leaves, it'll continue to grow and push growth onto the scion. So the scion's the top bit. But yeah, so just a quick video today. I was just in absolute awe of these, and I thought, well, you know what, I couldn't pass up the opportunity to film a very quick video and share this with you all. I thought you'd definitely appreciate it, the flowers as much as me, and the variance in flowers is just, it's incredible. So like I've said before, cacti never cease to amaze me. I come out and check on my plants every single day without fail, and every day I find something else that interests me or intrigues me, or that I think I didn't notice before. So I think it's just a wonderful hobby, and I really couldn't imagine my life without my prickly little friends. But let me know in the comments if you grow Astrophytum Asterias, what sort of flowers they've got, what colours, and I'd really like to know if anyone else has one that looks like this guy here, these strange little whirly little petals. I'd really like to know whether that's a strain, or whether it's just a bit of a I guess, a deformed flower. Anyways, everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye bye.